What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Drive Theory. I hope you enjoyed the last episode. If you didn't check it out, it's probably okay because pretty much all I did was scan the codes on this thing and talk. So, yeah. But if you didn't watch the last episode, in this episode, we're going to be jacking this thing up and checking out the wheel speed sensors, why they're not happy. This one only has one code. I'm wondering if when a deer ran into this, you can't see it. Oh well. When a deer ran into this, I'm wondering if it just messed with the wires a little bit. So we're gonna check that out. And then the back one, I don't know, it has three codes for some reason. It's pissed. So yeah, we're gonna jack this side of the car up, check that out. And I don't know what I guess I'll have to see if they come back, those other codes, because I don't know why either of those would be given issues. Oh, yeah. Well, the IAC is because of this. That's why there's an IAC code. But the intake air temp, I'm not sure. I'm not too sure why that's popping up. Hopefully it doesn't come back. The O2 sensor code wasn't even there, so who knows. Oh. How about we just back right into my car right now? Here it comes. Oh, the brakes suck on this thing. I almost did. Oh! Hit my license plate. Son of a bitch. Alrighty, now that we got that thing out, I'm gonna let it run a minute. I actually dented the fuck out of my license plate. That's a oopsie. But the thing's not even that low, but it's too low for either of these fucking jacks, especially in the rocks. So I gotta jack it up with this one, which, you know, you would just jack it up with this one, but it sucks. It, like, doesn't work. So you gotta jack it up a little bit just to get the suspension raised. Then you use that one or that one. This one, it always works fine, but it weighs 8,000 pounds and gets stuck in the rocks. Love the rocks. Alrighty, boys, I just wanted to say, I almost forgot. I forgot my recording phone today, so if I can't talk, because I'll tell you in a second. But if my recording seems a little off today, it's because I'm on my normal phone. But for being an off-road jack and being on flat ground, how are you supposed to do that? Like, what the fuck? That's awesome. I guess I'm gonna drag the big one over here. Alright, I probably said it in the last clip, I'm sweating my balls off. Current situation, got the wheels off. I got that there for protection because I'm using two Harbor Freight jacks now, so I'm living on the edge. But I don't even remember this being a thing. This thing had some stupid ass wrong size shitty lug nuts, and I'm pretty sure they were the wrong size. So I'm gonna clean the threads up. Hopefully they're okay. And I'm gonna go take two normal lug nuts off of that car once I can get this part because it's stuck. I accidentally just took a picture, but alright, here's the situation. Let me find my flashlight. Here we go. So, oh, okay. Oh yeah. Put down in the comments how many, why does that keep happening? Put down in the comments how many clips you think I broke. I'll give you a second. 1. You wanna know which one it was? The only one that's semi-important. Whoa. Fucking up here. I don't even know where I'm going. Oh, right there. Yep. I broke the wheel speed sensor. Oh! I broke the wheel speed sensor. I was planning on being careful, but as you can see, this broke at some point. I must have, like, bottomed out. What the fuck is that? Anyway, we'll just I pulled the plug. Yeah, obviously I pulled the plug out. I fucking broke it, you dumbass. But yeah, we'll just shove that back in there like nothing ever happened. Yeah, close enough for now. But an issue I did find, which I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get on camera, the ABS ring was absolutely covered in smegma, which it still doesn't look the best, but I used like half a can of brake clean and I'm feeling pretty good. So we're gonna put this back together, and if it doesn't fix it, I guess we're gonna order a new wheel speed sensor. And yeah, onto the rear. Alrighty, boys. So I'll be honest. I had to go on the tip form and look it up because I looked up in here. I followed the wire and I was like, what the fuck? But I guess it's actually inside the car. So maybe my dumbass just unplugged it. That'd be cool. I don't even know if this has a ABS ring back here. It's fucking rusty back here. Holy shit, bud. Sick. Totaled. Oh yeah, in case you couldn't tell, wheels back on. I stole the lug nuts from that fucking thing. Alright, survey says the pins and everything, I checked them out. I hopped my ass in here. I even hooked it back up on the clip that's there. Hell yeah. This one doesn't have a bunch of smegma like the front one, probably because there's no CV axles back here. But yeah, it's right in there. It's a little rusty, but not rusty enough that I think it would cause it to tweak. So I'm gonna spray the sensor with some electrical cleaner, and then I guess we'll clear the codes and hope they go away and I don't have to order them. It's the land of the jacks. It looks like I'm doing a summoning circle. Please fall on me. Got her back on the ground. I'm gonna hop in a second, clear the codes. Hopefully they stay away. I was debating taking it for a drive, but I'm pretty sure it's like out of gas. I'm kind of poor right now. I don't really want to get 93. So I guess we'll save that for next episode. Maybe me and Nick will do something. We'll see. But yeah. I feel like there was something else I was going to do, but I can't remember. Stay tuned while my brain, the gears start turning again. Alright, I remembered what I was going to do. I haven't checked the spark plugs like at all since I supercharged this thing, which probably isn't the best, so we're going to do that right now. Look at this insane POV right here. Ayo. Wrong tube, buddy. Wrong tube. Oh, is it too... That was kind of loose. Why does that feel like that? Okay, I guess it's good. Survey says that almost fell off the bumper. What the fuck? They're all fucking rusty. What the hell? That's really strange. Well, I guess I'll add plugs to the list if the speed sensors don't fix. Alright, so I should have showed it. It was just surface rust. It wiped off with my finger, but their spark plugs were a little white. Not too bad or anything. So I'm going to pull the other front ones out. I guess those ones will just stay like that because I'm not going to pull the whole supercharger off. But yeah, I'm going to wipe those ones off with my finger. I'll be good to go. Alright. I'm dying. I got the spark plugs cleaned up. In reality, I think it was just surface rust because of how fucking humid it is. And yeah. But Scan the codes. Unfortunately, they both say open/short, which could literally be anything. It could be the rings are cracked. Could be the sensor, and there could be a little fucking rip in a wire somewhere. So that's kind of annoying. What's also annoying is my stupid ass scanner. You have to push so hard, and I broke my OBD2 port. So that's cool. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next video, we'll probably take this thing for a rip. I guess I'll just order new fucking sensors. I don't know, man. And maybe spark plugs. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one, and have a good night.